What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am with a maintenance video in which I'm gonna show you how to clean and lube our motorcycle chain. First let me take into the requirements. To clean the chain you can use diesel, kerosene or chain cleaning spray. I am using this. Also you require a brush to clean the chain. You can use chain cleaning brush or toothbrush with hard bristles will be great. To lube the chain, I am using Motul chain lube. I will be mentioning other products also in this video. If you don't want to get your hand dirty, you can use gloves. You can use surgical or working gloves and a cotton cloth. If your bike have a center stand or you have a product stand with you, the cleaning and lubing process will be easy. With a bike having center stand, you just have to put on it, rotate the rear wheel, clean the chain and lube it. The process will be easy and simple. If your bike don't have a center stand and you don't have a paddock stand or moto jack or G roller with you, how will you clean and lube your bike chain? In my opinion, there are three options are available. If you have another option, please comment below so that will help someone. The first option is you can ask someone helps to hold the bike like this and rotate the wheel and do the job. Otherwise you do it by yourself. The second option is move your bike forward and reverse and clean it, and the same to lube it. Third option, to know the third option, please watch the entire video. It's a simple technique, I think so. So let's go to the maintenance process. I have a paddock stand with me, so I put on it. If you want to build a paddock stand by yourself, the video is already running on my YouTube channel. Please watch it so that you can get an idea how to make one. I have given the link above, please check it. Now let's do the job. First I'm gonna remove the front sprocket cover to clean the inside portion. I won't recommend to do this on every time you clean the chain. But after at least around 5000 km or above, you better remove it and clean the inside portion. But for every 500 km, you must clean and lube your bike chain. So let's remove the cover. For that, we require Allen key and 8mm box pan. I have removed the cover. You can see some dirt inside the portion, but not so much because every 5000 km I clean it. Also, I will be cleaning the inside portion of the cover also. After cleaning the front sprocket area, now I'm gonna clean the chain. First, I will be soaking the entire chain with diesel. It will help to easily remove the dirt from the chain. If you are using chain cleaning spray instead of diesel or kerosene, first you have to spray the cleaner onto the entire chain by rotating the wheel. After that, keep it for at least 10 to 15 minutes. If the chain is very much dirty, you have to clean the chain with brush. After brushing, again spray the cleaner and again keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. While cleaning the chain with brush, you have to clean it completely. That is, you have to clean the chain from top, bottom, front and back side of the entire chain. If you have a chain cleaning brush with you, it will help to clean the three sides of the chain at a time because it got a U shape. You can save some time but not that much. The important thing you have to remember while doing this job is never rotate the wheel in this direction, that is anti-clockwise direction, because there may chance that your fingers will come in between sprocket and chain and it will gonna hurt you really bad. Chances are there your fingers may cut. So always rotate the wheel in this direction, that is clockwise direction. Also never turn on the engine and do the job. The third option that I mentioned is use a car jack to lift your bike. Everyone will be having a car in their home. In it you can find the jack. If you don't have one, at least your neighbor will be having one. Borrow from them and use it. It's only an half an hour task. Let me tell you how to use it. Before lifting the bike, you have to lock your bike front wheel. To lock the front wheel, you can use tag to tie the front brake lever with handle, or you can use a brick like this to lock your front wheel. When we lift the bike with the jack, there may chance that the bike will come off from the side stand. To prevent it, we are locking the front wheel. You have to jack the bike signal like this. If you want extra height, you can use a brick or any hard material under the jack base. The bike is lifted. The rear wheel is free to rotate. Now you can easily clean and lube the chain without anyone's help. I have cleaned the chain and sprocket using diesel. All the dirts are removed using brush. Now the chain looks brand new. After cleaning with diesel, now I gonna clean the chain and sprocket with water so that it will remove the excess diesel and dirt. All the cleaning process is done. Cleaned with diesel and water and also dried the chain and sprocket with cotton cloth. Now it's time to lube the chain. I am using Motul chain lube. Before spraying, you have to shake the bottle very well. Also keep a newspaper or cardboard in between chain and the wheel, like this. Spray the lube thoroughly over all the links and joints of the chain by rotating the wheel. Never turn on the engine while cleaning or lubing the chain. It's for our safety. Now all the cleaning and lubing process is done, but there is also one more thing to do. After lubing, there will be some excess lube in the chain. While riding, the lube will be thrown to the alloy and it will attract the dirt and your alloy gonna look ugly. To get rid of this, I have an option. Most of the guys do wipe off the excess. But what I usually do is use a piece of paper. I will just stick on the paper onto the chain guard. After sticking the paper, if you have a center stand or pedal stand, run the bike on it for some time. The excess lube will be thrown into the paper. After that, just dispose the paper. If you don't have a center stand or pedal stand, run the bike for some kilometers and after that dispose the paper. All the process is done. I have fitted the front sprocket cover also. I think you got an idea about how to clean and lube the chain. I will recommend everyone to clean and lube your bike chain in every 500 or whenever you feel the chain is dry. It will help to get your chain more life. I have been using Motul chain lube for all my bikes in normal riding condition. I felt it quite good and sticky. There are many other options available in the market. Actually, for different riding condition, you have to use different types of chain lubes. You can also use gear oil to lube the chain. It's very economical. WD-40 is not a good option to lubricate your bike chain, but you can use it for removing the dirt. So hope you guys got a basic idea about how to properly clean and lube your motorcycle chain and what are the things you have to take care while doing this. So I am winding up this video. Hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please click the like button and also share with your friends. I will be coming with a new video. Till then, ride safe, stay safe, keep smiling.